When you talk to a girl with her arms at her sides and non-crossed legs, that means she is interested in you. Wanna know more about this wonderful science? Come on. First tip. When you see a girl hugging herself like this, that means she feels alone and wants someone to come to her and make her more comfort. This mostly happens when someone's new in a party. So use this trick for a brilliant impression. Second tip. The best way to start a conversation with your crush without approaching is, when you see her while walking, raise both your eyebrows up and smile gently without showing teeth. Just do that without saying hi or anything else. If she is interested, you will see some verbal or non-verbal responses from her depending on her personality. Trust me, that makes a good impression. Third tip. When you walk and you want to show your charisma, just walk with a steady speed. Don't change your walking speed in different places. Doing this every time you pass your crush is like investing in Bitcoin back in 2010. And last and the most efficient one. When someone's talking to you, instead of making eye contact with the talker, just look at your crush's eyes for about 5 seconds and go back on talker. Do this for a few times. That's the magic of body language. But hey, don't look at her eyes more than 5 seconds. This trick has two sides. If you do it more than 5 seconds with no expressions on your face, that will scare her badly. Peaky Blinders writers use this trick in this scene. You wanna know more about body language? So